I'm on a mission to discover the own brand secrets that could save you a small fortune.
Don't you just love a little trip to the supermarket? Us Brits talk about shopping almost as much as the weather. And right now, the chat is all about the own brands.
There was a time when we used to hide the own brands at the back of our kitchen cupboards because we'd be maybe a little bit embarrassed about the packaging. But now, if you look at this, it's so good, they've really upped their game that we're no longer embarrassed to shop for own brands.
None of us want to feel that just because we're watching our spending, we're having to settle for second best. So, the supermarkets have seized the opportunity.
There's been a huge amount of effort by all of the retailers and their manufacturers over the years to raise the quality up to the brand quality and sometimes even beyond the brand quality.
This is a seismic moment and it shows the shift in power that has been building now for many years away from the big brands to the British supermarkets.
What everyone wants to know is what's the difference between brands and own label? I mean, is there any? And which brands secretly make our favourite own label products?
I do love a big shopping day. I've got quite a few things to get today. So let's see if I can be swayed by the own brands.
I know they'll be cheaper, but does that mean you miss out?
Now this is interesting. You've got a known brand of Bleach that's been around for years at £1.49, and then Aldi's own, which is 75 pence. And really, Bleach? Can it be that different?
Well, technically the Aldi version has 0.2% more of the active ingredient sodium hypochlorite than Domestos, if you care about that sort of thing. But what about favourite foods with a specific flavour?
£2.50 for Whatsits and only 90p for the Essentials range. So you get more puffs for your money.
Home and beauty is one area of the supermarket where we still stubbornly buy brands. But are we missing a trick?
Almost £4. This is the own brand facial wipe, 90p.
You already knew they were cheap, so let's uncover some own brand secrets.
Nope.
I'm on the hunt for evidence of one of the most amazing secrets about own brands.
Nope.
I'm trying to find a needle in a haystack, or to be precise, a pack of own brand hoops in a Hula Hoops pack.
This is a very serious investigation because it's been rumoured that people have been finding packets of Aldi hoops inside multi-packs of Hula Hoops.
I've not exactly hit the jackpot with my mini investigation, but there have been multiple reports across the UK of Aldi hoops turning up in Hula Hoops bags. And there's a simple reason why. Retail expert Maya Knights is going to spill the beans.
It's a little known secret that some of the premium branded manufacturers also manufacture the own branded product that they then sell to the supermarket.
That's right, the Aldi Snack Right Hula Hoop tribute is made by the same people in the same factory as the real Hula Hoops.
And that is true of all sorts of branded companies. So KP Snacks, obviously famous for their peanuts and hula hoops, but they also supply most of the supermarkets with snacks coming out of the same factory, not on the same lines, not necessarily with the same ingredients, but with the same know-how and the same experience.
KP Snacks say the Aldi version is made to different specifications. But they look pretty similar to me. And it's not just KP Snacks that make own brands, as well as, well, their own brand. Loads of companies have got in on the act. I've tracked down a former buyer from Aldi.
So if you take a brand like Weetabix, Weetabix produce a number of the main retailers' private labels. There may be a slight tweak to the recipe. That's very understandable because, Weetabix wants the true Weetabix fan to taste that product and think, yep, that is the real Weetabix. But within an item like that, the differences are very marginal.
And sometimes there are little clues on the packaging of your favourite foods that let you spot the own brands that are made by the big brands. Supermarket expert Kate Hardcastle is going to let me in on a trick of the trade.
So there's a company called Arla Foods. They're a huge dairy organisation. In fact, last year they sold £10 billion worth of products globally. It's a big, big organisation. And you might know them from making this brand.
Oh, of course. We all know Anchor.
And they also create this known brand.
Yes, of course.
But they also create this own brand, this own brand, this own brand, and this own brand.
Wow. Arla is the 5th biggest dairy company in the world. It also makes Lurpak in Denmark. But Anchor, Yeo Valley, and all of these own brand packs of butter are made in one factory in Wiltshire.
So what am I looking for on the packaging to know that they're made in the same place or by the same manufacturer?
Dairy and certain food types have a serial code on the back. The code will be identical on the products that have come out of the same factory. That's the same number on both packets. I think it's about 6 figures on this one. And you've got it? Yeah.
Found it.
Yeah. Can you find it on the other one? It should be identical. That tells us.
There you go.
That tells us it's the same place, come from the same source.
I can see it's GBWQ108.
It's an amazing trick, and it works for almost anything that contains dairy. Take pizza. This Goodfellas pizza is one of my favourites. They make this pizza, the big cheese, on sale in Tesco for £5. But they also make this pizza, also called the big cheese, and this little one, and this Sainsbury's one. But are they the same products with different outfits on, or are they different?
In some cases, the products are remarkably similar. And frankly, it's just the packaging that's different. And that's because there's very little you can do with some things like a bag salad. In some cases, particularly ready meals where there's a lot of recipe involved, supermarkets can be actually very precious about how their recipe differs from one of their rivals.
Ready for another reveal? Ever wondered why the Aldi cookies look so much like the real Maryland cookies? Guess what? They're both made in the same factory by Burton's Biscuits. They also make Wagon wheels and the own brand cartwheels. They also make Jammie Dodgers and, no, surely not. Yes, they make the own brand Jammie wheels too.
You are getting the brand quality from the same manufacturer when you're buying the private label, but the recipes will change slightly. If you take Maryland cookies, for example, the private label version, which will be produced by the brand, would have potentially slightly fewer chocolate chips within them.
But if you're the kind of person who doesn't mind missing out on extra chocolate chips, and I'm sorry, but if you are, that's weird. There are bargains to be had right across the supermarket. I'm confused though. I mean, why would Hula Hoops or Weetabix want to sell cheaper versions of their own stuff?
There's a couple of reasons why brands might want to make own brand stuff as well as their well-known brands. One is volume. If you are an ice cream maker, you are buying just shed loads of milk. And if you can just make more ice cream, you get a discount from your suppliers because you're buying another 1 billion litres of milk.
And there's another reason. The British shopper is buying less and less branded food and more own brands. And if they can't beat them, they might as well join them.
Consumers now are no longer willing or as willing to pay a premium just for something in fancy packaging with a well-known beloved brand and with a magic formula. If you are one of the giant brands, you might as well just join the rush into supermarket own label.
So loads of the own brand goods are actually made by the big brands.